In a small town in New Mexico, something strange has been happening for decades. Residents describe a low, constant hum, deep, mechanical, and impossible to ignore. It's not heard by everyone, but for those who hear it, it never stops. People report headaches, insomnia, anxiety, and a constant feeling of pressure. Scientists were called in. Government agencies investigated. Sensitive equipment detected nothing unusual. And yet the sound continues. Some believe it's linked to underground military facilities. Others point to secret experiments or classified technology. Officials insist there is no source, no explanation, no solution. The mystery of the Taos Hum isn't what's making the sound. It's why no one can prove where it's coming from.